On iPhone XS or later, you can use eSIM to connect to a cellular plan from your wireless carrier. Here's how. To activate an eSIM, you can install an assigned cellular plan, scan a QR code, or use a carrier app. Before you start, make sure your iPhone is using iOS 12.1 or later and is connected to the internet, either using Wi-Fi or an existing cellular network. You'll also need to buy a cellular plan from a wireless carrier that supports eSIM. If, after you've purchased your cellular plan, your carrier sends you a notification to install your eSIM, you can tap the notification at the top of the screen and then tap Add Cellular Plan at the bottom of your screen and follow the instructions to set up your eSIM. If your carrier has provided a QR code, you can also scan it to activate your eSIM. In the Camera app, point the lens at the QR code to scan it. Tap the notification when it appears, and then tap Add Cellular Plan at the bottom of your screen and follow the instructions to set up your eSIM. Some carriers will let you activate your eSIM through their app, which you can search for in the App Store. Once you've found the app, tap Get to install it, and tap Open when it's ready. Once you've signed in to your carrier account, follow their instructions to add your eSIM plan. The app will then automatically open settings where you can tap Add Cellular Plan at the bottom of your screen and follow the instructions to set up your eSIM. Once you've completed the steps, your eSIM will be active and ready for use.